how to know the battery health of your mobile device. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial I'll be guiding you through the steps on how you can find the actual battery health or the battery life percentage in your Android device. So in order to start, the first thing that you will need to do is simply go to the settings, and once your settings have been opened, simply scroll down and you will find battery. Now simply click onto battery, and under battery you can see the current charged percentage. But since we want to find out the actual capacity or the actual degradation of the battery health life, what you can do is look for this battery health option if it is present in your device. It is not necessary that it is present in your device, but if your device supports a battery health option, it will be there. So simply click onto this battery health option, and from here you can see this maximum capacity. As you can currently see, mine shows 91%. That means my 9% battery has been degraded and I am left with the remaining 91%. So that's how easily you can find the actual battery capacity or the battery health percentage in your Android device. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.